This is a 2013 Lexus LS460 with 104,000 miles. All I can say is, wow, what a car. Unbelievable car. In absolutely phenomenal condition. One senior owner. Only reason they sold it was because the husband passed away. Just unbelievable car. So many options. You'd be lucky to find a door ding on this thing. Rock chip. Good luck. Phenomenal condition. Gorgeous car. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Every one of our vehicles gets a 125-point pre-owned inspection. When we sell something, it will need nothing. Tires are like new. Moonroof, and that's just the beginning. So it has leather seats, power seats, heated and air-conditioned seats, power telescoping steering wheel, blind spot detectors, front and rear parking sensors, premium sound, rear power shade, push button start, navigation, backup camera.
Select collections, watches, and other exclusions apply. Visit sales.com/TV for details.
Interior is just phenomenal for its age. Original mats, 104,000 miles. No crack dash, very little wear. One senior owner, very well taken care of. Fully serviced at Sewell Lexus. Blind spot detectors. So this is a 2013 Lexus LS460, 104,000 miles, one owner, in amazing condition. What a luxury car. Needs absolutely